Hello everybody. So got some news on a project that Tisha and I are picking up. We went and looked at yesterday. It's over in Hugo, Oklahoma, and it is going to be a surprise. So earlier video I talked about how Tisha and I are looking for a good project to start off. It'll be our first project build together, and it's a classic. I'll give you at least that much of a hint. We got a really good deal on it, and we decided today to go ahead and purchase this first build. So right now we're going to go and get some snacks for the little short road trip that we have, and go out there and talk to the gentleman and get the truck all set up. Also, we're going to have a wrecker service that he had hooked up for us to bring the truck back to our house, or close enough. Our roads are so bad here, so it's drivable. Hopefully it does start, and it's pretty strong. So we'll see how that goes. Of course, I'll video it so you can kind of see probably me messing something up, and that's how we learn. So I will update y'all shortly and show you the first project that we're gonna do, and see where we go from there. Okay. All right, so now we're heading to Oklahoma to go pick up this truck. Hope y'all can enjoy the music and the drive. Heading out there. These are the country roads. It's not really country, but we love this drive. All right, everybody, so I told you kind of have a new project that I got going. Well, just got it to the house, and yeah, she needs some work. So this is basically what we have right here. This is the new project, and yes, she definitely is going to need some help. Definitely so. Look at that bed, lack thereof. Some definite rust. That's okay, I want to learn how to weld anyway. But yeah, she does start. Does have a nice little 350 in there. Previous owner put a little bit of work prior to the owner that I got it from. Really cool guy, interesting guy. But this right here is a classic 62 Chevy C10 LWB that needs a lot of LOVE. So yeah, needs some work. So I just kind of want to give you guys a little bit of a walk around of what we got going on here. And definitely needs work, but that's okay. Roll up windows. I wonder if the window rolls up. Yeah, it does, barely. But this is a situation that we're working with. Oddly enough, the guy had put an automatic transmission in here. If you can see down there, it actually was originally a manual. Can't really see the gas pedal there because, well, it's gone. But they did put a nice little shifter situation in here, B&M. It's not a Hurst shifter, but you know, take what we can get. But yeah, definitely needs some serious work. This bed is probably gonna have to come off. Yeah. And we have some interior stuff here. Let me see if I can get this in here. Sorry for the wide, interesting angle, but that is not good. So hopefully it's not all the way through. We'll just have to get another skin for in here. And seems kind of solid-ish. But that's what you gotta expect from an older vehicle that's been out in the weather. So it is a Chevy. I love me an old Chevy truck. So we're gonna make this a hot rod. The heartbeat of America, Chevy. So that's what we got for right now. Sorry for the long trip and everything that we kind of went through. It was a crazy dirt road getting over to it. But my wife's over there mowing the neighbor's lawn. Anyway, more to come. So this is gonna be our new project. Don't get me wrong, we still got the minis over here. They're gonna get some love as well. But for the price of this truck that I picked this up for is almost a steal. So I didn't want to miss out on this opportunity to get this up and going. But tune in and we'll get this bad boy up and going. So peace out. So I almost forgot. I gotta start this up for you guys so you can hear this. This thing is a monster. Of course, it's open header. Yeah. So I'm gonna start her up. Yeah, so needs a little bit of work, some spark plugs, some wires, you know, oil change, all the lovely tune-up stuff, and figure out some exhaust on this. So that's there down the road. Just want to give you guys a heads up of how this engine kind of runs. Sounds a little mean, but open header just about everything does. So I'm really torn on to see what additional things in here. I kind of wonder if it's got a turbo 400 transmission. That would be interesting.